Welcome back to part 6 of this 8-part introductory series on ArcGIS StoryMaps. In this video, we'll cover another interactive feature in StoryMaps, map tours. Map tours are a great way to bring attention to multiple locations in a single map. Like with sidecars, you can associate certain details or views of your map with text, images, and other media. However, unlike sidecar, the focus is on moving place to place around a single map. To add a map tour, click the plus button, scroll down to Immersive, and select Map Tour. You'll see 3 options: Start from scratch, Upload photos, and Start with a feature layer. Upload photos allows you to add your media all at once. Start with a feature layer is for when you already have a data layer, created in ArcGIS Online, with geographic points and associated media. These are both useful tools for when you have the right kinds of data, but if you're just getting started, Start from scratch will be the best option. Next, you'll see you have 4 different options for map tour layouts. These are divided into 2 groups: Guided and Explorer. Guided tours are best for when you want your viewers to move from point to point sequentially. Start with point number 1, move on to 2, etc. These include media-focused, where images take up most of the screen, and map-focused, where the map takes up the most space. Explorer tours are best for when you don't care what order your audience views your points in. These include list view and grid view. In this video, we'll focus on building a guided, map-focused tour, but the principles are the same for each kind of map tour. Once you've clicked Map Focused and hit Save, a map tour block will appear on your story, and you'll be able to add to it. Give your first slide a descriptive title. Add an image, and a description. Then, click Add Location. Here, you'll be able to navigate to your desired point on the map or search for a specific location. Once you've chosen a point, you'll have the option to either keep the zoom level at the map's default or use the current zoom level. Choose whichever you'd like. You can come back and change this later if you wish. Like with Sidecar, you can click the plus button on the right-hand side to add a new slide. You'll notice that unlike Sidecar, you're working with the same map as before. I've gone ahead and added 5 slides to this map tour. If you wish to rearrange the order of your slides, you can do so by simply clicking and dragging on one of the slides, in the bar at the bottom, to the position you wish for it to be in. Once you've added a few slides, you can go to the preview and scroll through your story to see how your map tour will appear to your viewers. You can edit the appearance of your map by clicking on the pencil icon. Here, you can choose between a 2D map and a 3D globe view. You can also choose from a selection of base maps, change the color of your pins, and set your zoom level. When you're happy with your changes, hit Save. Next, in part 7 of this series, we'll address some important design and accessibility considerations when working with StoryMaps.